Okay, YouTube, what we have here is a Gehl 80 series, 2580, and we have a problem with the twine cutting. So when the twine arm gets about where that block is, it tends to break the string. Tried rerouting the string, tried new string, kept happening. So what I've done is remove the tension where this thing pivots. I got a block in it, and over here on this is the stop that keeps it from traveling back. If you look where it contacts here, it's worn, causing this to pivot down and come too close to this roll and actually contact and sometimes break the string. So we're going to add a little weld to that, and that should solve the problem. Okay, we've added a little bit of weld on both faces, and it looks like it's made a significant difference. It now looks like the correct gap, and hopefully we won't be cutting string anymore.